Hi, my name is Deryck Cooper. I'm the service manager here at King's Volkswagen, and today we're going to talk about some service tips. How do I know when to replace my tires? Well, tires are probably the most important part of our vehicle if we think about it, because that's the point of contact with the road. So our tires really are, the best indicator of how safe we are. So a brand new tire is around anywhere between 10 and 30 seconds as a full tread. When you start to get down to 4 and 5, maybe halfway, that's when we start to look for tires and possibly replacing our tires. Rotation is a very good way to keep the life of those tires for as long as possible, getting some even wear from both the front and the rear axles. So we want to make sure that we're rotating our tires regularly. But I also would like to let our Volkswagen customers know that on 2 months of the year, in April and in October, we have a buy 3, get 1 for $1 sale. So if you wanted to time your tire purchase for those months, it's really an advantage that's such a cost savings. And then of course you get some road hazard and some other warranties with those new tires. If you have any questions or need any additional information, please feel free to give us a call at 513-677-2710, or you can check us out on our website at www.vwkings.com.